What you guys doing up there? Thursday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. So I've been feeding them, these girls, fermented chicken feed in the morning and sweet goat feed at night. We have gone in 3 days of this routine. Gee, many piglets. We've gone from 3 days from 7 to 10 to 10 to 14 eggs a day, so it is working. I've always said those sweet goat feed is an amazing thing for chickens. Well, you guys are sure chatty and noisy today. Hi, little one. Come on, look out. Here's what they're looking for. Okay, piglets. Hungry, hungry hippos. At least with the one standing in the middle, it'll keep it from tipping. They'll eat that all up, though. You're a loud one, Screech, today. Grandpa, I said, let your fiddles do the talking. Get in there, Screech. Oh, Renee. She is molting so bad. Poor girl. Allergies are so kicking my butt today. Not a good thing. All right, let me scoop the poop. So I've received 3 night eggs. This is the 3rd one here. It's still good, but I'm not eating it. So that's going to be 3. There's one of the new babies. That's 4. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 eggs. That's not bad. Like I said, we were at 7 and 10 for quite a while. I just love coming around the corner and seeing my shadow. What's up, buddy? You need some attention? You need some attention? He got some good, serious lap time this morning. There's a video posted on that. There's the other sleepyhead. Let's go get them some treats. Big, 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 big. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful girl. Ladies first, you know that. Here you go, bud. Try not to give him too much because he's not been eating his treats as much. And then she gets them. And then her butt gets bigger. Book, 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 book. Come on, you know the routine. This is not your first time. Okay, Jaws, calm down. I call her Jaws, Princess Butterball. She's got a food addiction. And she does not know how to be gentle. Oh crap, I hear something going on. Let's get some eggs. Gonna be pressure washing tomorrow for sure. And we got 2. I got 8 last, what was it, Monday? 2. It's okay, ladies, you're retired. Take a look at this. We got 1 here, 1 here. There's 3. We got 4 of them growing on this thing right now. Makes me happy. I need to get a trellis like this. This has got some growing on it. This variety I'm not going to grow next year. It's the striped German. I just don't like the way it grows. It grows too big. There's the intermediate and immediate. Something. There's 2 types of tomato plants. I got to look up which that one is. This one's doing okay. I'm gonna have to stake that one. I still don't know what that is, but I'm letting it grow. It's a mystery plant. But there was a lot of pepper starting up on this one. So take a look at this. I am fermenting milk. I just started today, so this first batch, it's called So it's realiving or something like that, where you got to get the grains and to bring them back up and everything. But fermented milk, kefir milk, it's a really good probiotic. But I'm starting that up again, so there'll be some videos coming out Sunday and then some things to do with it. All right, on that note, I'm gonna go sit in front of the air conditioner. I'm hot. Stay safe. Have an amazing night.